This is a tutorial for 3-card Monte throw. This is the original 3-card Monte street game. This is not done with any trick or any gimmick cards. It's just sleight of hand and it requires practice. I'll show you the throw first. I'm going to show you an ace of diamonds and another ace of diamonds. It appears that there are two ace of diamonds, when in fact this is a different card. This is the throw. We'll do it with the ace. Here's the throw, and there's the ace again. Now I'm going to do it in really slow motion so you can see. The secret is I separate the two cards and hide this card behind the other one so you can't see it. Now it's very difficult because most people will take this card and it'll get stuck on this finger right here. So you have to separate it from that finger, and that requires a lot of practice. A lot of times people will hold it apart like this, but then you can see the card behind it. So it takes a lot of practice to be able to get the two cards, one directly behind the other, and have the two fingers separated. And when you throw, what you're doing is you are releasing the top card and showing the bottom card again. So in slow motion, it looks like this. A little faster, it looks like this. Again, there's the ace. Let go of the top card. So you keep that card separate. Looks like I threw the ace. There it is again. And now I could make it look like there's one king. There's another king. Once you do this, you can just have a lot of fun with it. This is how the this, that, and the other trick was basically done. Here's a 10. We're not going to show you the 10. So I'll show you what appears to be an ace, another ace, and a king. The whole trick, I'm showing you an ace, and a king. Then I can show you, well, we've got a king, and an ace. The whole time I'm doing this, I'm hiding the 10 because it's behind the card I'm throwing. There's the ace. I'm throwing the 10, showing you the ace. There's the king. Put the 10 behind the king. Show you the king. And then throw the 10. Show you the king again. Again, this is the other card. So you're not going to see this card. The trick is started, let's say, with 10 behind the ace. Okay, I have one ace, I have two ace, I have a king. An ace, and a king. You just have to find the king. So I'll show you. There's the king. Keep your eye on it. Put the king down there and show you there's an ace and there's an ace. So that looks like it's the king, but that was really the hidden 10 that you didn't see. So finally, one more time, just so you've got it. Two cards. You don't want that card to get stuck, because that's the big problem people have, is you really want to practice. A lot of people, what they do is they bend the cards. Because if you bend the cards, it's easier to separate them. But it looks nicer, and it takes a lot more practice if you can keep the cards flat. So you have the cards flat, keep them separated, and then you just throw the top card. Now, I'm not actually letting it go. I'm actually flipping it over and releasing it so it goes like that. I'm throwing the bottom one. There's the 10. Now I'm throwing the top one. There's the ace. It's hard to tell the difference. The only way to spot it is to look at my two fingers once I release the card. Throw the top card. If you look at my fingers, this finger is not holding on to anything, so the top card is gone. I'll show you here. There's the 10. Look at my fingers. This finger threw the card, so the bottom card was thrown. That's the one way to detect it. Two cards, throw the cards. You can see this finger threw the card, so the top card was thrown. I hope that's helpful. Please rate the video. I hope this helps you understanding 3-card Monte. Thank you.